Hello everyone, I am Sugadev. Welcome to Dev's Kitchen. Today we are going to see one continental dish. It is creamy chicken. It is very simple but the taste will be amazing. Please do watch the video without skipping. If you like this video, please do subscribe and enable the notifications. Thank you. இந்த வீடியோவை தமிழ்ல பார்க்கணும்னு விருப்பப்பட்டீங்கன்னா மேல இருக்கிற I பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. Let's see the required ingredients. 200 grams of boneless breast chicken. So I have cut into pieces like this. And 200 ml of fat milk. Please avoid taking toned milk. And 10 grams of butter. And 20 grams of grated cheese. And half a teaspoon of Maida or wheat flour, whichever is okay you can take. And half a teaspoon of pepper powder. And in shop you will be getting Italian seasoning mix or mixed herbs or pasta mix or something like that. You can get that. Apart from this, we are taking one small garlic clove. First we are going to boil the chicken. So we have taken the chicken in pan and we are going to add water as required. Just add water in such a way that it's getting immersed in the water. We will add little bit of pepper powder which we have taken in this. Just little bit, a pinch or two is enough. And small amount of mixed herbs. We are adding little bit of salt. Let it get boiled. Once it starts bubbling like this, just put the flame in medium. It's been 13 minutes now. Now we will increase the flame so that this water will reduce. Our chicken has cooked perfectly now. Once the pan gets heated, we will add the butter which we have taken. The garlic clove which we have taken, we have to mince that and we have to add it. Now we will add the Maida flour which we have taken. When we are adding Maida, we have to keep it in sim flame, otherwise it will form lumps. After mixing, we will add the milk which we have taken. Now we will add the chicken in this. After adding chicken, we can keep it in medium flame. Now we will add the pepper which we have taken and also the mixed herbs. And salt as required. We have already added salt at the time of cooking chicken. Just mix it nicely. Now you can taste this, and if you want to add salt or seasoning or pepper, you can add it. It has become creamy. Now we will add the grated cheese in this. Now our creamy chicken is ready. Now we will change it to serving bowl. Our simple and tasty creamy chicken is ready. I have just garnished it with chili flakes. Just do try this recipe and let me know. It will be very tasty. Thank you.